Hey friends, thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm gonna do a shop with me video at JCPenney. We're gonna get some Father's Day gift ideas all under $75, and I want to thank JCPenney so much for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this video. So first things first, let's go shopping, you guys. Hey friends, so I'm here at JCPenney. We're gonna shop together and look for awesome Father's Day gift ideas. This caught my eye. Justin loves himself a plain t-shirt, and he will not shop for himself unless I do it for him. So I like the blue on him, so I think I'm gonna get one of these guys. So they have the Henley print that I like, or the Henley design, but then they also have like plain colors, like this one, this. I actually am feeling this one too, and then the green. It's getting hot, you guys, so I think I'm gonna get this for Justin because he needs more shorts and all he has are like khakis, and it'd be nice to have like different colors, so we're gonna get the green ones. I also like this color. I love blue on him, so I think I'm gonna get this for him as well. I gotta just find his size. So Justin likes to run in the morning, and I thought this would be a great gift for him because he could have his phone on his arm like while he's running, and he doesn't like have to hold it while he's running. It's just like right on his arm, and he could just be running like that. Why am I like showing you guys? Since we're on the topic of working out, I think Justin needs some new workout pants. I'm gonna get these for him. They look nice, and they look like you could wear it like around the house too. It's getting hot, so I figured a nice t-shirt for running. This is really thin, so when he's running, like, he doesn't feel so hot, but then his legs get cold, so he needs his pants. So I think that's perfect. You know the shoe size, and you know what fits. These are really cute. Justin had these for years, and he wore the heck out of these, and I think they were so cute on him. I kind of miss him wearing those because he wore it out. I found a hat for Justin. He's a huge Giants fan, and hopefully we'll be able to go to more Giants games and he can wear this hat. So I was walking, I saw this mannequin with this t-shirt, and I said, my dad would like that, so I decided to get one for my dad. Justin has some meetings coming up, and I thought it'd be great for him to get a new pair of shoes for his meetings. I also want him to like get new shirts, like dress shirts, so we'll look into that soon. But these are really cute. All right, you guys, I fell in love with this pinstripe. I actually have a pinstripe shirt like this, but I think this would be a good one for Justin to go with the shoes that we're getting him too. I also like this one, and they have green, plain white, like beige, yellow. This one's nice, checkered, blue. I think everyone needs one of these guys. They're little phone mounts. Hey guys, so I'm back home, and I got my big old bag of JCPenney Father's Day gifts, so I wanted to just quickly do a haul. I know I did a shop with me, we walked around the stores, but this is pretty much everything that I picked out for Justin. These shoes are really great for Justin because he has meetings and things like that, and he needs more dress-up shoes, so I think he's gonna love these shoes so much. And he wears a lot of blue, and I think like that color is neutral, so it'll go with everything. And then got him some of these pants because he needs, like, you know, those tapered running pants or just like lounging pants. These are Adidas pants, and I really like them, and I hope that he likes them too. And of course, shorts. I got Justin these Arizona jean shorts, and they feel really lightweight, so this is gonna definitely keep him cool in the spring and summer. And then these shorts, they're also by the Arizona Jean Company, and it comes with a belt, and they're cargo shorts, and these are olive green. I thought this was really neat. It's the running armband, and he can just put his phone in it while he runs. And then this is a car mount. This is for my dad. I thought this was just really, like, it just, like, I saw it and I thought, this is totally my dad. He loves t-shirts like this, so I got this one for my dad. And I love the color. That is like one of my favorite colors. This is a really nice lightweight t-shirt. It's by Arizona Jean Company, and I picked this out for Justin. So I also got Justin this t-shirt, which I showed you guys. It's a workout t-shirt, and it's by the brand Exertion, and it's a training t-shirt, and it says it's wicking, moisture managing fabric, draws sweat away from your skin, keeping you cool, dry, and going strong. So it quick dries, and that's perfect for, you know, when Justin's running or if he chooses to do any other type of workout. Justin is a huge Giants fan, so we had to get him a hat. This is a San Francisco Giants hat, and this one fits him perfectly, so I'm really excited about that. And it just says SF, the Giants logo on it, and this is gonna be great because then, you know, when we go to Giants game, we can wear our Giants gear and he's got his hat. And then I got Justin 2 dress shirts just because I think that he needs more dress shirts. He needs to just add a little bit more to his clothing collection because he has meetings every now and then. And these are great because it says it's wrinkle-free technology. And like whenever Justin usually goes to a meeting, like he has to like fly and then pack all his things and then usually it gets all wrinkly. And the fact I can tell that it's got wrinkle-free technology. Like I can already like feel it. It doesn't, like I can just see that it doesn't wrinkle. So this is definitely an amazing idea because you guys, I was wearing this and I was like, I had to iron it because it was so wrinkly. So wouldn't it be so great if you didn't have to like iron a dress shirt? So definitely give these guys a try, you guys. And I love the colors that I picked or like the design. This is the brand Stafford. It's tailored culture Stafford, travel wrinkle-free Oxford. And this, I just love pinstripes. And then this one is like a like red, white, and blue, or it's more like salmon colored, the little stripes. So yeah, these are great for like work shirts. So that's my haul, friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys got some ideas for Father's Day shopping, whether it's for your husband, your boyfriend, your dad, your grandfather, your stepdad, your uncle, anyone that is your father figure. Definitely check out JCPenney because everything that I picked out is $75 and under. So definitely affordable, meaningful, thoughtful gifts, and you'll definitely find it there. Whether it's like electronics, activewear, clothing, shoes. I think everything that I picked for Justin is going to be used. Like especially like his work shoes. This will be really nice for him, like to have a new pair of shoes for work. Anyways, I love and appreciate you, friends. Definitely shop at JCPenney for your Father's Day gift giving. And also, if you guys want, I'll link it below. You guys can shop JCPenney online too. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.